Welcome. In this video, I'll show you multiple ways to cancel your The New York Times subscription. All right. First one, go ahead over to your account right here and go click on account settings. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and scroll down until you find this section. All right. Just go ahead and select subscription overview, then select cancel your subscription in the manage subscription section. And after that, just follow the simple prompts. All right. Another option is by clicking on this link right here, which will just redirect you to the same page, or you can just give them a call. All right, this number right here, just go ahead and pause the video and call this number if you are in the US. All right, now if you are residing outside of the US, just go ahead and click this one right here. Don't worry, I'll leave this link in the description. All right, as you can see, if you're from Asia Pacific, just go ahead and click on the drop down right here, and here are the numbers for Australia, China, and India. If you're from Europe, again, drop down, Belgium, Denmark, Great Britain, Netherlands, and Sweden, North and South America right here, Canada, and Mexico. All right, going back, you can also select Contact Us button at the bottom of the page right here. Contact Us, click on it. Now, in here, go to Additional Contact Info, scroll down a bit, and click on the New York Times mailing address. Click on it. And in here, as you can see, Contact Customer Care button is available. Just go ahead and click on it and click on Chat with us. All right. You'll just need to put your full name, email address, and bill and postal code right here for verification. Once done, just hit on Next, and you will be greeted with the customer care of the New York Times. And that's basically how you cancel a New York Times subscription. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.